What's the meaning of caustic soda? Caustic soda. Caustic soda.
Caustic soda. Caustic soda. Caustic soda, also known as sodium hydroxide, NaOH, is a highly corrosive and versatile alkaline chemical compound. It is commonly used in industrial and cleaning applications, including the manufacturing of paper, textiles, soaps, detergents, and drain cleaners. Caustic soda is highly reactive and should be handled with caution to avoid severe skin or eye damage. The result of exposure to caustic soda can cause severe burns and tissue damage and should be treated immediately by medical professionals.